All right, so we're out here in Hopkinton on Leonard Street. This is that 3-lot subdivision. All the way over to your right, that house has already been sold, went under agreement a couple months ago. People have already moved in. That's number 8. This one's 10. This is already under agreement. Last time I think we went through, there wasn't appliances or countertops and things like that, so we'll take a look at that one today. And then this is number 12. And that one, I'm not sure how far along it is, but we're going to go in and take a look. That style and layout is similar to 8. 8 and 12 are the same, and 10 is slightly different. Not sure the price point of 12. I know 10 here went under for, it was on for 1,650,000 or so. So let's go in and I'll take a look around. So this is the 2-car garage. I don't know if I showed you. I know last time there was all sorts of this. They were using this as a staging area for some of the appliances and cabinets. That's actually accessed that back wall. That's a staircase going down for a second means of egress from the basement. There's one in the interior of the house, and then due to code, they needed a second one. So we come right up here from the garage. Pretty sure this is going to be stained at one point. Last time I think the flooring was done, so there's not too much difference here. I'm not sure. I don't think the tile work. No, I don't think the floors were done, but I don't think all the tiles were done. So again, you have the hand shower, commode over there, kind of cool light fixtures. Ooh, very bright. Nice vanity here that wasn't in last time as well. And then you come back here. This is that flex space we mentioned. Floors have been stained. I don't think they were last time. This basically can be used as just an office, another bedroom, whatever you like. Now let's take a look at the finished kitchen, where it's just about finished. You got the nice quartz countertops, 6-burner range top, dual Bosch oven. Nice, large, I'm not sure what brand, probably Bosch as well, not 100% sure on the refrigerator. The hood vent over the stove. Then even here you have a nice wine cooler or wine chest, more surface area. Opening up into the fireplace living room. Again, nice high ceilings, nice trim work, some shiplap over the fireplace. And then you come over here into the, I guess this could be more living, either family room or yeah, because over there I want to show you is a really cool chandelier, I guess you could call it, for the dining room that hangs a little lower. This is the nice open foyer as you've seen before, but now it's all stained out. And right there is that really cool, at least I think it's really cool, chandelier. So that's kind of it for the the first floor. Haven't been upstairs, so we'll go up there and see how that looks and take it from there. Here we are up on the second floor, overlooking the foyer. Nice chandelier that was put in. Nice stairs coming up. Nice black railings were done. We'll just take a quick. Actually, I don't even know. I think the only difference here is they painted. Flooring's not in yet. Closet over there. I'm not even going to show you the second bedroom because it's just a mirror image of this one. Then here we got another full bath, dual vanity sink, commode, shower tub combo, I guess you could say. And then we have the laundry room. Nothing too different in here. And then we have the au pair suite. Not sure, yeah, the floor is not done in this one either. But it looks like the tile work was done in this one. If you want to take a look there, it looks like they have the shower heads in, and there's a handheld shower in there as well with a single vanity sink. And then let's just take a look at the master. Probably the only difference here is the master probably has the bathroom completed. Actually, it was partially completed last time, so the tub is in. I'm not sure if it was last time. The countertops are in. Nice dual vanity, large soaking tub. Rain shower, faucet head, shower head, commode in here. So everything's really coming together nicely, and it's just about completed. And then you have a nice large walk-in closet. extra storage in the back area. And then the master bedroom here. So that's pretty much it on this house, number 10 Leonard Street in Hopkinton.